here present tonight and to celebrate this wonderful event, to just honor and to celebrate the power of women. Sobrang nakakatuwa kasi before talagang music is everywhere and we can say na music really tells stories and we can connect to everyone. But tonight, this is a very moving experience, especially to all new artists din. And I heard merong mga bagong artists na makaka-receive ng award din tonight. So I'm very moving itong event tonight, celebration na punong-puno ng music and of course, empowering and celebrating the women tonight. Ako parang naghahanap kayo na dito, makikita ng something. Next for Style, I guess, there's a lot of project. And parang alam ko na hinihintay niyo dito something lang na masasabi ko na mafe-feel niyo may something talaga. But yeah, there's something to look forward to Style din. Kasi dahil nagsimula na rin yung mga solo projects, so I guess in the future we will have that kind of projects then.
Pero we saw the 5, 18, 19, 20.
Yeah, that's something that you guys should look forward to kasi it's a very special day then for us to celebrate and to express how thankful we are sa mga fans namin. Of course, pinaka-best po talaga is of course yung office na kung saan makakagawa pa kami ng magaganda music, contents, mga for our artistry din talaga. Pero siguro yung pinaka-best investment is yung mga naipundar namin para sa sarili namin, para mas na-expand pa namin kung ano yung feeling namin makakatulong to ano rin, para maparinig sa global kung ano yung tunog pa ng mga Pinoy. Actually po, natutuwa po kami sa mga ganyan. Actually po, dapat po lahat favorite. Kasi to be honest, yung mga singer, artist, sila talaga yung number one or talagang gumagawa ng something. Hindi lang ma-express yung sarili nila, kundi sila rin yung gumagawa ng way para maiangat kung ano yung talento talaga ng Pilipino. So, kung may mga nagsasabi sa amin, favorite kami ni ganito, favorite kayo ni ganyan. I mean, hindi po namin iniisip yun kasi gusto namin like equally dapat. Kasi we need to support each other para maabot natin. Kasi kung ano yung goal namin, hindi naman kaya namin abutin yun ng kami lang. So dapat meron ding iba na katulong namin or tutulong kami sa bawat isa para maabot yung goal na yun. Kasi hindi lang, at the end of the day, hindi lang naman kami yung makikinabang. Lahat din kami makikinabang for that. Araw-gabi nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan